In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save some time by not having to put in your full email addresses or use complicated usernames all the time. To do this, start by going into Settings, go to the left-hand side and pull down so the search bar appears. In the search bar, start typing in keyboard. When this comes up, tap on the Settings cog and keyboard. The second option is called text replacement. Tap on this. Here you can see I've already got a few keyboard shortcuts. To add your own, tap on the plus and put in your phrase or your username that you are wanting to try and save some time with. Then give it a shortcut name. So whatever you start typing, it will automatically bring up your phrase as an option. Tap on Save. Now, whenever you start typing that phrase, it will automatically bring up your option there to autofill. Press Return to select it.